Imagine a world where your coffee machine knows precisely when you wake up, or where your car drives you to work while you catch up on some extra work to do. Sounds like something from a sci-fi movie, right? But here we are, in 2023, and we're already seeing glimpses of this future. But what comes next? If you're curious about where AI is headed beyond this year, you're in the right place. Stick around, and we promise you'll be looking forward to the future with wide-eyed wonder. Alright, let's dive right in. First up, did you know that this year, the world has already spent over $500 billion on AI? But it's not just about the money. It's about the incredible changes this has brought and will continue to bring to our daily lives. Let's talk about generative AI. It's been making waves this year, and it's only going to get bigger. Imagine creating art, music, or even entire video games using just AI. The future is truly limitless. Machine learning has been the talk of the town in 2023. It's like teaching your computer to think and learn, just like a human. And as we move forward, this technology will be even more integrated into our lives. From helping doctors diagnose diseases to predicting your next favorite song. For all you number lovers out there, here's a fun fact. AI is set to impact nearly every industry, from finance to farming. And the stats are truly mind-blowing. We asked the experts about the future of AI beyond 2023, and their insights were nothing short of fascinating. We're on the brink of a tech revolution like no other. What an exciting journey into the future, right? As we stand here in 2023, the horizon of possibilities seems endless. If you enjoyed this glimpse into what's next for AI, give us a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe for more eye-opening content. Remember, the future is unfolding right before our eyes. So, let's embrace it together. Until next time, stay curious and keep exploring.